How to find and replace the turn signal flasher of a Chevrolet Corvette. Welcome to the series of how to do it yourself videos for the Chevrolet Corvette C4, America's true and only sports car, the most beautiful and less versatile car ever built by the General Motors Company. Today we want to take care of the turn signal flasher of my '92 Corvette C4. It's a beautiful car, still in a very good shape, but when I take a ride and I want to turn right, the turn signal flashes in high speed, while the left turn signal seems to be normal. Well, that's embarrassing. You drive a nice young timer, but the turn signals are like, ha ha ha, look at that! So we take care of the electrical part, which is responsible for the flashing of the turn signals.
The flasher.
The flasher is an electromechanical relay. It's a very simple and common part. You can buy it everywhere. It's standard size, standard, double standard, super standard. And if you do not find a dealer, let me know. I still have some brand new pieces here. But if we want to replace it, we first have to know where it's at all. There are so many photos on the web which show the part within a bunch of wires, but you still cannot see where these are located in your car. So, where to find that little wiener? Don't worry, I'm going to show you right now. This is the car, and here, open the door, you will find it. You have to loosen these screws. There are about 3 to 6 screws for a 7mm short socket wrench or screwdriver, 1 nut for 10mm short socket wrench, I'm not sure if this is original, I have to be honest, and 2 Torx size TX15 screws. So let's start with these Torx screws. There is not much space because of the door, so I just take the Torx socket and turn it by hand. There are some more screws down here for a 7mm socket wrench. And a 10mm nut way back there behind the pedals. So take down the whole panel. Be careful, there's that floor lamp and the connector of the diagnostic tool. Disconnect them first. So, now you can see one of these rare metal parts in this car. This metal panel. 4 more thick screws hold it to the body. So take your ratchet and loosen them. Then you can take away this panel. And there you are. The turn signal flasher. There it is. You can pull it out of its fixation clamp and pull off the connector. Take your new relay and connect it. Check it if it works and then build everything back. The metal panel, the plastic panel, don't forget to reconnect the light and attach the diagnostic tool connector. Then check your flasher again, just to check that the connectors have not been loosened during installation. That's it. It works! Hooray! Have fun turning using turn signals.